As you eagerly await the second season of Severance, I have to ask, are you ready to dive back into the dark and twisted world of Lumen Industries? If you're anything like me, you're probably still reeling from the shocking finale of the first season and can't wait to see what's in store for Mark Scout. And, what season wind against is, chapter 67, or if it doesn't chapter 60, the wait is almost over, folks, as Severance Season 2 is set to premiere on Apple TV Plus on January 17th, 2025. Showrunner Dan Erickson and director Ben Stiller have been teasing us with hints about what to expect from the new season. And let me tell you, it sounds like it's going to be a wild ride. In a recent chat with Vanity Fair, Erickson and Stiller dropped some tantalizing hints about the upcoming season. When asked about what viewers can expect from the second season, given the shocking revelations in the finale of the first season, Erickson hinted that things are going to get a lot darker. But I believe things are becoming more ominous. He said,
we intentionally wanted to make the setting more frightening as season 1 concluded, with the characters provoking a powerful enemy.
So what can we expect from the second season? Well, it seems like the team at Macrodata Refinement is in for a world of trouble. The aftermath of their victory in the first season is going to be severe, and it's going to be a challenge for Mark and his companions to navigate. Vanbar of, as Stiller put it, we aim to set our protagonists in a more frightening environment since the finale of season 1 found them deliberately provoking the bear. But don't worry, folks, it's not all doom and gloom. Erickson and Stiller are committed to continuing the story from where it left off, introducing the innies to the Audi world and gradually resolving some of the questions that were left unanswered in the first season. And of course, there will still be plenty of enigmas to keep you guessing. One thing that's clear is that the second season is going to be a coming of age story for the characters. As Erickson explained, in the first season, the innies are essentially like children. They may appear as adults in certain aspects, but they're experiencing life much like a child would, with their first crushes and self-discoveries. The second season, however, leans more towards an adolescent narrative. It's about exploring personal autonomy and figuring out who you are rather than being defined by what others tell you. So are you ready to dive back into the world of Severance? The premiere for season 2 drops on Apple TV Plus on January 17th, 2025. And trust me, it's going to be worth the wait. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm too